Hey guys, Amy here with Leap of Faith Crafting. So today I have a super quick and easy project for you. I was making some fake marshmallows for myself, so I thought I'd shoot a quick video tutorial on how to make these fun little projects. So you're just going to need some air dry clay. I'm using the white, and then some brown hot glue sticks and a hot glue gun to put those in. And then if you want some sprinkles to put on top of them, I will link all these below. And then I'm using just a fun straw to put inside. So the first thing we're going to do is just mold some of the clay into marshmallow looking balls. So I'm just molding these with my hands, just taking out as much clay as you want. I'm making some big marshmallows. And you can put in a straw at the end if you would like. And then just keep making the same as much as you want. And then you can also make small marshmallows, mini marshmallows if you'd like. I'm just rolling out a long ball here, cutting it, and then just shaping each little individual piece, just kind of squishing the top and the sides together just to form that marshmallow shape. And then once you have as many as you want, you're going to want these to air dry. I let them dry overnight, so they take about a day or so to dry. Once everything is dry, I painted mine since the white clay does not dry totally white, so I just used some white acrylic paint and just painted these. The ones with the straw are obviously easier. You just need somewhere to stand them up after they're done so they can dry. You can do more than one coat if it doesn't seem white enough. I painted one side of them, let them dry, and then turned it over to paint the other side of them. Small ones were obviously a little bit tricky. You could use some pliers or something like that to hold them. I just get paint all over my fingers. Once they are all dry, it's time to add that chocolate. So put the chocolate into your glue gun and then squeeze out all of that clear glue that might still be left in there until you start getting that dark brown color. And then we're just going to start adding the brown hot glue on top of the marshmallows. Kind of add a little bit and then let it drip down. And then while it's still hot, put those sprinkles right on top and they'll stick. So I just put some of that chocolate glue kind of down the sides, let it drip down a little bit, and then just kind of fill in the top of it with chocolate. And then just again add those sprinkles on before the hot glue dries. And then for the ones on the straw, I actually added it to the underside of the marshmallow or the part that was going right by the straw, because I was going to place those up where I was going to decorate with them. So you just keep going and adding that hot glue all over the top and the sides, kind of as much as you want. And adding whatever sprinkles you want to the top of it, or you don't have to add sprinkles at all. Again, these are plastic sprinkles, so dogs or kids or whoever will not be intrigued on eating them. Just make sure they know these are the same sprinkles I used when I was making that fake hot chocolate that I had in my last video. And I will link that below if you want to check that out. And you can add these marshmallows to the top of a hot chocolate cup. That would also be super cute. And these don't take long to dry. Once that hot glue is dry, they are set to go. So really quick and easy and fun project for you. Thanks for stopping by.